Welcome to Hobby Clubhouse with a review of the Handy Cleaner from Wave Corporation. Let's find out if this little gadget is something you want to add to your workbench. The Handy Cleaner is a desktop vacuum cleaner, and it's been on the market since 2017, but you see it from time to time from online retailers. In Japan, it retails for about 11,000 yen, and a quick look at HobbyLink Japan shows it being sold for a little over $9. Inside the box is a supporting piece of cardboard, and tucked right underneath is our handy little cleaner. Underneath is a single folded sheet of instructions in all Japanese, but this device isn't really that hard to figure out, so you should have no problems using one by the end of this video. Freeing the Handy Cleaner from its plastic bag gives us a unit measuring 11 centimeters long and 9 centimeters at its widest. It stands 6 meters tall, with the little bristles on the bottom adding about 3 millimeters to its height. It's about the shape of a big mouse, and that makes it very comfortable in your palm. Or should I say, that makes it very handy. The shape of it complements the size, and the Handy Cleaner fits snugly into your hands. On both sides are vents so that the air that gets sucked up have somewhere to go. And on the other side is where we're going to find the on-off switch. The bottom has 8 lines of bristles that radiate from the hole in the center, and that hole is where the air gets drawn into. To load it up with batteries, you can follow the molded indicators on the side and twist the dome top to pull it off. Inside, you'll see the naked motors and the exposed wires, and it's not exactly as sleek as the outside, and I can't help but imagine the wires being knocked off the solder joint at some point. On the 2 sides are space for 2 AA batteries, and the fit is tight. When I tried to get the batteries in, I had to really put a bit of force into bending the metal plates, but that also means that once they're in, they're secure and they're really not going anywhere. Being from 2017, it doesn't have a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, and some of you might prefer one that can charge via USB. But personally, I like AA's just fine, because I don't want to be replacing this unit every few years because of an aging lithium-ion battery. This little guy here will stay with you for years and years. The Handy Cleaner comes just in time to prepare for the SDCS Silhouette Booster 2. Building the Zeta Gundam didn't take very long, but it left a healthy bit of shavings behind from all the cutting and cleaning. Previously, my cleaning tool of choice was this wide brush. It did its job really well, and it hardly costed me any money, and it gathers up debris like a champ. The Handy Cleaner surprised me with how snappy it was in picking up all the pieces. The first pass already picked up most of the pieces, and a few more passes should finish the job really well. Here's a look at the results, and as far as I can see, I couldn't find any stray shavings that were left behind. But what about bigger pieces? Surely the Handy Cleaner is made for just small bits of plastic, right? I cut a few pieces of runner in increasing sizes of up to 5 millimeters long to give it a test. Running the Handy Cleaner across, the cleaner successfully picked up every single one. I didn't bother doing another test because realistically, most model leftovers are about that size or smaller. So, the Handy Cleaner passes this test with flying colors, and it really sucks. When you're done cleaning, you can push on the indicated spot on the front to remove the bottom of the unit. Any debris collected will be right inside the unit, so you're going to want to do this right over a trash can. It's quite roomy inside, so you won't have to stop in the middle of your work to empty it out. The air filter can be pulled out and cleaned if it gets too clogged up. It's a plastic mesh, so if you really want to wash it with water, it should be just fine. Though, cleaning it with a brush should suffice. So to wrap things up, here's a Hobby Clubhouse 3-point verdict on the Wave Corporation Handy Cleaner Desktop Vacuum. First, the handy in the name is no lie, and it feels great in your hand. There are other desktop vacuums you can find online, but their circular shape may not be as comfortable as this little guy right here. Second, there aren't internal batteries nor USB charging. While I'm happier with AA's than I am with lithium-ion batteries, it may be a deal breaker for you, and you may opt to go with another desktop vacuum from an online retailer. Lastly, it's easy to maintain and upkeep. If there's one truth to buying gadgets, it is that we like to own more and more cool gadgets. But if there is another truth, it would be that it should make our work simpler. The Handy Cleaner is easy to empty, simple to clean up, so it is indeed a great tool for any modeler's workbench. So there you have it, the Handy Cleaner from Wave. Can you get on fine without it? Of course you can. But does it spark joy?
私のミッションは片付けによって世界をときめかせていくことです。
You said it, Handy Cleaner. Please like and subscribe to Hobby Clubhouse and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever there's a new video from us. We'll be back with more reviews and videos, so I'll see you next time.